Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to correct Instagram time on your iPhone. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just go to the settings of your mobile phone and from here scroll down and go to general and scroll down, and from here you will find an option called date and time. So just open this date and time, and from here just turn off set automatically and make sure to turn it back on. Like once you turn it back on, it will automatically detect the correct time and adjust it accordingly. And once you do that, just go back, and from here you can just find the option called like the location. Just go back to settings, and from here just search the option called locations. And once you search the locations, you can open location services and make sure to turn it off and turn it back on once. And after that, check if your location, like your time issue, is fixed or not. And if you are still facing the issue, what you can do is just go to general, and from here go to the end transfer or reset iPhone, and from here just click on reset and reset network settings. Make sure do not click on any other settings, just reset your network settings. And once you reset your network settings, you will be able to correct your Instagram time on your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can correct your Instagram time on your iPhone.